if you are a pirate, it's indicated solely by the size of your pirate hat. And what a pirate hat is really good at is a good way of judging the quality of an individual really quickly and easily without having to do any sort of evaluative statements. So if you're looking to fight someone, it's really easy to do it by judging their pirate hat. Or if you're looking to befriend the best pirate, you can again just look at their pirate hat and not actually waste your time getting to know them. And we actually get this process from animals. So you see male red deer with the largest antlers do the best in male-male competition. Or your classical example of the peacock, where the males with the longest tails, most elaborate tails, are preferred by females because they're the best mate. And the way these traits stay honest in animals is because they're actually really costly to produce and carry around. So the idea is that only the best individuals can produce them and wear them effectively. So what you get is producing antlers every year is really energetically expensive, or carrying a long tail makes you vulnerable to predators, and you have to be good enough to get away while still having that tail, which only the best can do. And it's these costs that why scientists argue that only males should have such exaggerated traits. So the basic argument here is that females invest a lot more in their offspring than males do. Eggs are expensive, but sperm is cheap. So females basically don't have the energy to waste growing long tails when they should be investing that in their offspring. But if you actually look at the animal kingdom, you find a lot of examples where females have exaggerated traits as well. If you look at macaws, males and females are equally brightly coloured. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers during the year. There is a difference between the traits, however. Male and females have smaller traits generally. And again, scientists, who tend to be male, argue that because they're smaller means that females don't actually use these traits. But as we all know, bigger is not necessarily better. Females can be just as aggressive as males. They fight over many different things, but sometimes those aren't as obvious as what males fight over. It's food for offspring, reproductive, sites, and things like social dominance. We also know that occasionally males can be choosy as well, and pick females based on their exaggerated traits. So, the next time you think of pirates, don't think of Blackbeard terrifying his enemies with an enormous hat. Think of Mistress Cheng commanding 400 ships and 70,000 men, and doing it while wearing a much smaller hat.